Greetings WIS community and welcome to another WIS technology tutorial. In today's lesson I'm going to be talking about spell check on the iPad in languages other than English. So many of us are really coming to like the addition of iPads in our classrooms. However, for an international school like ours, it's very important that the languages are also supported with this use of technology. And there's one feature of the iPad that is often overlooked, and it's the simple feature of autocorrect. There isn't a spell check and grammar application per se available for things like Pages, or Microsoft Word, or Google Docs, but you can sort of harness the autocorrect feature of the iPad to correct spelling in documents as you're typing them on the iPad. So here's how it works. The first thing you have to do is go into your settings. Now in the settings you have the option to, under General, you can go to, let me back up here and get out to the main menu. So we're in General. I can go down to Keyboards. Notice here I have two keyboards installed right now. So there's the English one and this emoji one, which is like logos or symbols and stuff. I don't really use that one. But if we'd like to be able to spell check in French, we can add a French keyboard, but keep the same QWERTY layout that we like with the English keyboard, because that's what we're used to. So I'm going to click Add a new keyboard. I can scroll down. I can choose French. And now I can click on the arrow next to it and say I want to maintain the QWERTY style layout. So I can check mark that one. And notice here I have a French QWERTY keyboard. So now I can exit out of my settings. And I can go into a word processing, whether it be Pages or Microsoft Word or Google Docs. I could go in there. So here's Docs. If I would like to have my document be spell checked in French, I need to use the French keyboard, which you can see that I'm using right now because of the return key is in French. I can toggle between those keys simply by hitting this little globe in this corner over here, right? So if I want to go, that's the emoji. Here we are. So now we're using the French keyboard. And if I started typing now in French and make mistakes, it's going to autocorrect to the proper writing of the words. So let me just start typing. So notice here it's proposing me the correct word. So again, this isn't a grammar checker, but it will correct spelling as you are typing, and the keyboard layout is the same as it would be just as the typical American US English keyboard layout. So this is one way you can kind of utilize a spell checker on the iPad in word processing applications. So that's it. I've hoped you've enjoyed this tutorial and look forward to some of your writing in other languages on the iPad. Thanks for watching. Bye.